Jai Hind everyone. I am Cadet Anurag Shukla of 1UP Naval Unit from ECC Prayagraj. Today I am presenting a topic that is seamanship. Under this, we will know about anchor work and cable. Starting with the introduction of the anchor. As you can see the image given here, it is a device which is known as hook attached to a cable and it is used to hold the position of the ship. Now different parts of anchor. Naming each. A. Anchor ring. B. Anchor shackle. C. Shank. D. Fluke. E. P or bill. Now reaching the parts of cable, the question arises what a cable is. So, a cable is a rope-like structure through which an anchor is tied and it is very long and made up of a very hard metal. So, in parts of cable, we have different parts, naming them lugged anchor shackle, second, lugless joining shackle, third, securing to buoy shackle, fourth, bottle screw ship, fifth, Blake ship, sixth, cup swivel, seventh, box swivel, eighth, adapter piece. Now, how can we identify a cable? So for identifying a cable, we have given a 3 points. First, the shackle and the joining shackle are marked from outer end to its inner end. So what a shackle is? A shackle is a device which is used to connect the anchor chain to the anchor. And before this, we also have read a word swivel. So what a swivel is? It is a device just like a pivot point which helps the anchor to rotate into the right orientation. Now, purpose of anchor and holding ground. As we have read above that anchor is purposely used to stop the boat or to fix its position in the shallow water. Now we have different types of anchor. Naming first, Admiralty pattern anchor, second, Admiralty standard stockless anchor, third, Admiralty class AC 1214, fourth, AC 16A and 17, fifth, stocked close stowing Danforth anchor, Chatham quick release CQR anchor. So now reaching the end of the topic, that is holding ground. From the heading, it is clear that we are discussing about the workings of the anchor and cable that we have discussed by the definition of the anchor and cable. So reading the points. First, an anchor beds itself in the bottom. Second, strain comes on the cable. Third, the anchor lies flat on the bottom until the pull of the ship on the cable drags the anchor along the bottom. The tripping palms then tilt the flukes, which then dig themselves in. So, what a fluke is? The question arises, what is a fluke? So, the fluke are long and heavy and have projecting shoulders at their base that catch on the seabed. From the from the second point, we also have a strain. I hope you all know what a strain is. So, ending the today's video, we will meet in the second part of this video and discussing the rigging in that video.